Hello, and welcome to the Couch Chronicles, a part of the CleanNow podcast series. I'm Smitha Sahu, your host, and the proud owner of CleanNow in Dubai. Today, we are journeying into the world of sofa cleaning, a process that can be complicated, but we are here to simplify it for you. Joining us today is Swati Khivsara, a textile and fabric expert. Welcome to the show, Swati.
Thank you, Smitha. I'm excited to be here.
We are thrilled to have you, Swati. As a fabric expert, can you explain how different upholstery materials can affect sofa cleaning routines?
Absolutely, Smitha. Different materials have unique characteristics and require specific cleaning methods. For example, leather needs to be conditioned regularly to prevent it from drying out and cracking, whereas fabric sofas require regular vacuuming and can be spot cleaned with appropriate fabric cleaners.
That's insightful. So, what are the latest trends in upholstery fabrics that our listeners should be aware of?
These days, people are leaning towards more sustainable and durable materials. Fabrics like recycled polyester and organic cotton are popular. We're also seeing a rise in the use of performance fabrics that are stain, moisture, and odor resistant, making them easier to clean and maintain.
That's great to know. How can our listeners select the right material for their sofas?
It depends on their lifestyle and usage. If they have pets or children, a durable and easy to clean material like microfiber could be a good choice. For those looking for luxury, leather or velvet could be ideal, though they require more care.
Thanks for the advice, Swati. Now, let's talk about common cleaning mistakes that people make with their sofas.
One common mistake is overwetting the fabric during cleaning. This can lead to water stains or even mold. Also, people often use the wrong cleaning products which can damage the fabric. It's always important to check the manufacturer's cleaning instructions before starting.
Such valuable advice. Lastly, when should our listeners consider getting professional help for sofa cleaning?
I'd recommend professional cleaning at least once a year to maintain the sofa's look and longevity. However, if there are stubborn stains, unpleasant odors, or if the sofa simply hasn't been cleaned in a while, it's a good idea to call in professionals like CleanNow.
Thank you, Swati, for sharing your expertise with us today. It was a pleasure having you on the show.
Thanks for having me, Smitha. I hope our listeners found the information helpful.
That's all for today's episode of Couch Chronicles. Stay tuned to the CleanNow podcast for more insights into keeping your home clean and beautiful. Until next time.